Welcome to Braconi's Cruise Night. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
And come see us.
Yeah, my name is Bill, and this is my Polaris Slingshot that I've had for a few months, and they're unique.
Let me ask you this, Bill. How did you get interested in this?
Pardon me? How did I get you interested? Well, I liked the idea when I saw it, and it was something different. I never really wanted to ride a motorcycle or on the street. I did ride them on dirt bikes and stuff, but this is considered a motorcycle. At least Polaris got it passed as a motorcycle, and that saved them a lot of
Regulations?
Oh yeah, well, and if it was four wheels, then it'd be considered a car, and it would have to go through crash tests, and it would have to have airbags and windshield wipers and all that kind of stuff.
And rear-wheel drive only?
This is, yeah, just rear-wheel drive.
Wow, look at that.
The machine, and it's got a belt that, like a motorcycle, that drives it. And this one is pretty much got all the extra stuff, and it's got bigger tires and wider, and the roof is an extra, and even the rear fender is an extra.
Really? Wow. How is this motorcycle?
Well, Polaris got it passed as a motorcycle, and about the only thing that makes it like a motorcycle is that it's a three-wheeler.
Right.
And
so what are we looking at here? Is that like a electronic dash?
Yeah. Now in the center there, that's a backup camera, and Bluetooth and GPS and all of that kind of stuff. It's all computerized.
Sure.
And
how is this to drive? Is it fun?
Oh yeah, no, it's fun to drive, and it handles real good. Now what I can do, I can open up the hood and show you the engine in here.
Wow.
This is a Chevy four-cylinder engine that produces about 173 horsepower. The whole machine weighs like 1,700 pounds, so it's a pretty big engine for what it is.
Now, do you let anyone else drive the car or the bike?
Say that again?
Do you let anyone else drive it?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's you need to check the shifting pattern, because it's a close shifting pattern, and so figure out where your different gears are. But other than that, it's more like a car.
Right. What do these start off at price-wise?
Well, the base machine is about $20,000. They say $19,999. But when you start getting the options and stuff, well, then it starts to add up pretty quick. And this particular machine is an SLR.
Okay.
And so it's pretty loaded. And these start out at probably 30,000, a little bit over 30,000, but by the time you add the roof and the rear fender and stuff, and I'll bet you with tax you're probably talking 40,000.
Have you ever driven this in the wintertime?
No, and it even driving it in the rain isn't recommended. It's got a lot of rubber on the ground and a lot of horsepower, and they say that if you can get it to hydroplane real easy, so it's something you gotta. So I've seen it driven playing around in the snow, but out on the highway, you got to be careful.
Sure.
And same thing in the rain, because if you try to do some quick turns or accelerate very hard, it can get away from you.
What speed have you had it up to?
Oh, I've had it to about 110.
Oh, 10, really?
Yeah.
Really?
They'll go about 147, so they say.
Oh, wow.
A little better than this, maybe.
Yeah.
This will be my next upgrade.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
The,
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and hope to see this.